What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another video. And today we'll be cooking chicken sandwich. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Right now we're going to season our chicken breast. We're using garlic powder right now. Just nice even coat. Next, some onion powder. So with seasoning, we don't want to overdo it. Next, we'll be adding some paprika. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Also click the bell to be a part of the Easy Does It squad. Next, some salt, but be careful with the salt. You don't want the chicken to be too salty. It won't be delicious. Last but not least, some black pepper. And guys, we're gonna flip the chicken over. Rub it in a little bit, then flip the chicken over, and then repeat the steps. Nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy. Now we'll be using 2 eggs. Once you crack them in your nice clean bowl, just go ahead and whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Next, we'll be putting our seasoned chicken breast inside the egg batter. Once that is done, place in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes minimum. In the meantime, we could get our flour ready. Basically, we'll be using the same seasonings that we had put on the chicken. In the flour, I didn't put any paprika. However, you can if you want to. And then just go ahead and mix it in, guys. Once you're done doing that, time to get our marinated chicken from the refrigerator and start coating it with the seasoned flour. And guys, remember, this is the Easy Meals channel. We're doing all the easy meals. Nothing hard. Everything easy. Easy does it. I already preheated some oil, and in the oil, I put some thyme. It gives the chicken a little flavor as well. If you don't have any thyme, you don't have to use it. And please be careful when you put in the chicken inside the hot oil. We don't want nobody getting hurt. So at this point, we're looking for a nice golden color. Try not to burn it, guys. So at this point they are ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and take them out. Be sure to place them on some napkins so you could get some of that oil out of the chicken. We're almost done, guys. Next step, go ahead and place some oil in the pot. Just go ahead and spread that butter around the pot too. Once that is done, go ahead and start putting your buns inside the pot. We're gonna toast them a little bit. Now this shouldn't take long. Now you don't want the bread to be black and crispy. You just want it to be a little bit toasted. Now for a sauce, all I'm using right now is 2 spoons of mayo and some hot sauce. And that's that for the sauce. And trust me guys, that sauce was banging. Just go ahead and mix that in until it's at a smooth consistency. Now it's time for our buns to get all dressed up. Add a little sauce to the bun. Ooh, this clip is a little bit blurry. Sorry about that, y'all. Then go ahead and add some pickle. Then add the chicken, some lettuce, a slice of tomato, and that's that. Meal is done. YouTube! This sandwich was banging. No cap. Look at all that good stuff. Believe me when I tell you this sandwich was soft, tender, and juicy. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give your boy a like. Turn that post notification bell on, guys. Easy does it, squad. Until next time, peace.